Hello, and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. Today, I bring you the Tzumi TV LED strip. Let's take a look at it. First things first, I'm gonna apologize for the horrible state of my hands. My hands are super dry. It is very cold outside. It's snowing. I've been mopping all day. Blah 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 blah. So I know my hands look like crap. Let's continue. I picked this little item up at Walmart for I believe $4.99. It's only $5, and I have been seeing more and more YouTube videos with ambient lighting in the background, and I tried looking some of those up on Amazon, and they're a little on the expensive side. So I'm like, hey, let's try out this $5 Walmart thing. And I know it's supposed to go like behind your TV, but to me that just seems so dumb. Like, why would you want to illuminate your TV when your TV's already bright, it's already emitting light? It just seems like it's gonna make a poor viewing experience. I get it maybe when it's off, but no, I don't get that. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at it. It says 16 color selection. It includes the remote control, which for $5 you just can't beat. It says it's 6.5 feet long. It says that you are able to supposedly trim it for a custom length. You should be able to just peel and stick it, and that it fits TVs up to 65 inches. So I'm gonna guess that the strip itself is 65 inches. It says customized TV LED strip to fit your mood while enhancing any space you want. Flexible with adhesive backing, these LED lights can be applied to the back of TVs and computer monitors or border cabinets, doorways, and more, creating a unique and personalized ambiance. Control the colors, patterns, and brightness of multiple strips with the easy to use remote. I don't know why I struggled here. So to be super honest with you guys, I bought one of these like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I thought they were great. I put one up in my room, because I just for $5, come on man, like what is it, LED lights with remote control, $5, yeah, you really can't beat that. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. And like I said, more than anything, I would like to use them as ambient lighting for our YouTube channel, so that we can maybe unbox things with a little light in our background, so that it's not just plain white. And again, I like the packaging. I feel that even if the box were to get wet, this will still stay in, it will still remain intact. It looks like a Mylar bag, but I can't imagine it being a Mylar. It's just like an aluminum foil bag. There's nothing else in the bag, as you guys can, in the box, as you guys can see. Put that aside. Let's go ahead and open this up. Trying to be careful not ruining anything before I even get to use it. because these are very flimsy. I mean, again, they're $5. Bear that in mind. So there's the actual LED strip itself. Here's the remote. Here is the USB power supply thing. And some paperwork. Let's put that aside. Looks like, warning, this product may exceed the power limits of certain USB ports with a 500 milliamp power drop. Please check with the manufacturer of your TV or computer to determine the specifications of the USB port available on the device before proceeding to connect this product. I'm gonna guess that's only if you put some of these together, like if you daisy chain them. And of course, the draw will exceed half an amp. Comes with a little user guide to get yourself familiarized with the item. Yeah. Oh, so it looks like this for the 65-inch, it only goes like around the top part like that. And then for a 32-inch, you can almost wrap the whole thing around, 40-inch, so on, so on. So, okay. Let me see that. All right. Well, this is the LED strip itself. So this is where it plugs in to this other little thing. I believe it's like, what, a 4-pin connector. It looks, again, incredibly slim. Oh wow. Yeah. I'm not very good at reading directions. So this side up. Wait, what side is, this is the side that goes up. But again, oh, there's a little infrared receiver. Let's go and try this out. The cord is extremely short. Let's go ahead and look at this a little bit better. So it looks like it's just RGB. Austin Evans RGB. Looks like some glue is missing from right there. Sorry guys. Okay. It looks like it's just some RGB, like Austin Evans type RGB. Looks like we're missing some glue in some areas. Like over here, you guys can tell. So the quality's not the best, but again, they are $5. You know, I'm not expecting the world out of this. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Probably have to kill one of our lights in order to be able to plug this one in, but that's okay. I don't think anybody's really gonna notice. Oh, and it fell. And it's probably not gonna work anymore. Yeah. Oh. Here we go. So here's the LED light. I like it. So let's go ahead and move. Keep sliding. Here. Hold this. So the remote comes with a tab to keep the battery fresh. We're gonna go ahead and pull that. And then this does allow you to just, wait, what do you do? Is it? Oh, there it is. So, okay, so you have to point it at the thing. So it doesn't work unless you point it. So we press green comes on. We press red, you have to point at the thing. Red comes on. Blue and white. Oh, they have white too. Well, it's not really white, but it's, you know, it's RGB. It has a flashing mode, a strobe. Okay, this was also wrong in mine. Whenever you hit strobe, it actually it like smooths out, and I think when you hit fade, it also fades. But when you hit smooth, it actually flashes or strobes. Let's see, what is it flash? So there you have it, guys. I don't know. Let's see. What does this do? Oh, you can turn up how, like, the speed of how fast it changes. Oh wow. Okay, that's gonna get somebody t-shirt. Oh yeah. Okay, I did not know that. So I guess if you hit that button, it speeds it up, and if you hit this, it slows it down. Let's go ahead and test our theory that this does, and yeah. That just does indeed slow it down. Untap that, yeah. Very, very slow rate of changing. But I guess you can have like Oh, so, okay, so I thought these were like gimmicky, but they do work. They totally work. They have a wide array of colors here. So you will definitely be spoiled for choice as well. Okay, so yeah, this is nice. It might be a little bit hard to appreciate with all these lights, so I'm gonna turn them down, turn them on. If there are other items you'd like for me to cover, or other topics you'd like for me to talk about, go ahead and leave me a comment. And as always, thanks for watching.